because she just taught me how to love, how to be kind, how to be real, how to be genuine towards people. Live every second as if you're your last. Live simply so other people can simply live.
Where would I be, Lord? Where would I be? Where would I be without my mama? Mommy, me love you, there's nothing I'd put above you. No house, nor no girl, nor no car.
Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog. Happy Mother's Day again. Oh, what, mommy? How are you feeling today? Show me up here. Yes, so well, we reached the exact time, guys. Like, I was pushing to reach here before 11 is when the yacht leave, but reach on time because I did everybody's makeup and I was filming and I got up so early this morning. Oh, the place look full up, guys. Look really full. They're walking behind me, so I'm waiting on them. Boop.
Reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Where don't come in the water? You can't go in there today? Alright. So it goes sometime. Hush, darling. We making noise.
The richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best, so everything's alright. Lift up my life to the hills, I'm blessed, oh man. You're the black girl.
Birthday cake or anything like that. Link up right now with it, alright? On the table for you. In the meantime, go on vibing now. Link up with the shop. And never dream. Link up. up again. Everybody, shots up again, shots up again, sing it. Shots again, shots up again, sing it. Shots up again, shots up again, sing it. Ready now, ready now, ready now, ready now. One more time, let's go. It's your birthday.
And this is why, yeah.
Hold on, hey, stop. First time, crash shot and a drink up of
Mommy don't want to hear the rest of the song.
Alright, ready again.
Six, she said she want to hear.
Ready again now. You see how we do it on loose, gonna tell a friend, but tell a friend, you know. Let's go. Hey, ice and chaser, come tip God with. Watch you now.
Bubble your body for the up top boss. Jump up, let's say you're out fast. Tell me you're not mad, every girl a jump. She called for me, not feelings and as a boy like me no mad, no, we no mad over no man. As a boy like we no mad, no, we no mad over no man.
And we're back, guys. We're going to dock over there. They're back. Today was late. We have to say, mommy. Great. I am back at home. I'm so beat. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm so tan. So tan. This side of me isn't tan because the hair was covering me. So that shoulder there isn't tan, but this one is tan. We're so beat. We are beat. Shami gone straight to sleep. We had a blast. Mommy enjoyed herself, and that was the goal. And so I'm happy about that. We were going to go to dinner, but then we changed our mind because we always go to dinner anyways at different restaurants and stuff. So you know, it's been a while since I've been on the boat, and Mommy has never been on the boat. So, and it's really good vibes. So I said, you know what, let's do that. That's what we did. But Shami was feeling, that time of the month, so, and it was, an unfortunate day for her, being out at sea all day, drinking, and just in the hot sun. Yeah, really draining. So what's up? It's a new day. I'm feeling refreshed, and that's good. Look on the mark that the burn left me. Remember that burn I got like, some vlogs ago? Left that ugly mark. But yeah, so I wanted to do my notification shout out. I realized that I forgot to mention to do that in my previous vlog, but not this one. So first person I want to shout out is Roberto Allen. That sounds like a male. Shout out to you. First to view and comment. And then I want to shout out successes in you daily. Yeah, shout out to you guys. Thanks for the continuous support. I'm kind of nervous because I'm going back to the gym right now. I'm going to head to the gym, but the reason why I haven't left it is because I'm about to publish my Monday upload for my main channel, so it's almost finished with processing. So I'm going to do that and then head straight to the gym. Now it's been like if I wasn't starting back today, this entire week would have made 3 weeks that I'm out of the gym. What? Yeah. So I'm going back to the gym today, and okay, so when I start back the gym, whenever I take a break and I start back, it's not like I can't get through it, but is what happens afterwards. I become completely sore, like for an entire week. Like, I'm not exaggerate, like for an entire week my legs hurt, my arms hurt, my belly hurt, anywhere that I work hurt really bad, really bad. And that's because I take a break. When you get back into things and you go so hard, it tell you that the workout I work. My remedies for soreness though, like how to minimize it. I can't completely cut it out. It's inevitable. Not take breaks that are too long, and if it is that you get sore, just stretch. I don't always stretch as much, so that's kind of like a downfall for me. It's like you know what to do but you don't do it, you know. Not looking forward to that part. So back on my regular, you know, gym daily wave. Yeah, when I come home I want to film. Definitely want to film. Next month will be mid-year. That's crazy. Just the other day was Christmas, and it's, well, right now in Jamaica it's feeling very much like summer. The time it's extremely hot, you know, really hot, really hot, boiling. Right now I have no plans for the summer like that. Just go with the flow, and you know, yeah, just go and watch and see what happens. I have one little thing that one little event that I want to go. Not 100 yet, so yeah. But yeah, enough of my rambling. I'm going to get off the camera, go check back the video, and head to the gym. See you guys in a bit.